All right, I broke rule number 1. Always wear PPE. Gloves, face mask. Got to protect that respiratory system. It doesn't matter if you're even spraying Febreze in the air. You should not be inhaling it. Just note. But if you're wondering why it got this bad and how it got so bad and all that, well, that's life, you know. Lady, she may have got sick, I believe. I don't really ask the story. I just love doing this, you know. It's just it's a lot of fun to me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to perform a moisture assessment, find out what's still wet, what's going on, because I have a feeling that a lot of this house is going to have to be demoed. And ideally, what I want to do is get it all situated to where the insurance company may approve it, maybe. Because right now, as it sits, the insurance company will not approve it. It's neglect at this point. So where I come in and make it look like, you know, it's not so neglected. And yeah, let's check it out. Trusty Dusty. Yep. If you can see, here's some signs of secondary damage here. We got cracked tiles, which means the subfloor is starting to drop.